Smile, and this is my colleague, Idra,
Hi!
who is also one of our community health workers. We want to offer you our sincere thanks for your partnership. You make our mission possible as we serve children who may otherwise not have the opportunity for routine dental care. At Ready Sit Smile, we are committed to providing the safest of environments for dental services in your school. We are trained essential healthcare workers, and although we are guests in your school, we are more than just mere visitors. During this pandemic era, we want to reassure you that we are doing our best to prevent infection and have developed a strict infection control and prevention plan. This plan was developed following the established guideline of the CDC, OSHA, and the Minnesota State Board of Dentistry, and we continuously monitor communication updates from these sources. Here is a summary of our protocols.
Every staff member is actively screened for signs and symptoms of COVID-19 when they arrive to work. This includes taking their temperature. This information is recorded in a daily log. No staff member may come to work if they have any of the symptoms that indicate a COVID infection. Any Ready Set Smile staff who has had exposure to COVID must take a test and quarantine until they receive negative results. Upon arrival at the school site, surgical masks will be donned and hands will be washed and sanitized.
Upon arrival to clinic, students will be asked to sanitize their hands and wear a mask. If they do not have one will be provided for them. Temperatures of students and any accompanying adults will be taken by a staff member with a touchless thermometer. Students and any other adults with children will be asked if they are experiencing any symptoms of COVID-19. All information will be recorded as part of their private health information. No child will be seen if they have a fever or any indication or observation of COVID symptoms. They will be returned to their classroom with this information. We will maintain social distancing except for the clinicians who will be providing dental health services.
Clinical chairs will be spaced to allow social distancing, so we may need a larger room in which to set up our portable clinic. Barriers will be set up between chairs to decrease the possibility of airborne particle transmission. As always, sterilized instruments will be used in our controlled infection prevention chain environment. Equipment and chairs are disinfected between every student, but in addition, a fogger will be used to clean the air with a non-toxic disinfectant approved to kill COVID. This is similar to what is done on the airlines. At all times, staff involved in treatment will wear personal protective equipment while in clinic. Some staff may remove the full PPE when simply guiding children from place to place, but will always wear at minimum a mask and smock. All dental clinicians wear full personal protective equipment, which includes a surgical gown covering from neck to the knee, a head cover, goggles, double masks, an N95 or KN95 mask covered by a surgical mask, a face shield, and gloves, which are changed between patients. The outer mask is changed for every child, and the shield is disinfected between every child. The instruments we use are placed in a safety container after each patient, and we sterilize them back at our offices. If one of our staff has to leave the dental care area, their gown is left in that area so that anything that might be contaminated is not brought into another part of the school. At the end of the day, those gowns are placed into a labeled plastic bag to be washed in hot soapy water. Any waste products such as sip cups, cotton, used gloves, and masks will be disposed of in a container specific to your school policies and we will discuss this ahead of time with your school staff.
If you have any questions about safety, don't hesitate to call us at 612-721-6118, or you can email your Ready Set Smile community health worker. Thank you again for your partnership in helping your children have happy, healthy smiles.